Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a bucket head base. The original tutorial was made by Kloofsuits. They're super awesome and you should definitely go check them out. The link will be in the description below. I use this technique for all of my head bases and it fits extremely well for any standard size head. The two most important materials that you'll need are 1/2" foam and Lycra Spandex, or any type of stretchy fabric that you find works best for you. Start by laying down your spandex and trace around a mannequin head to get a dome shape. Balaclavas can be as tight as you want or as loose as you want. The tighter they are, the more of a grip they have on your head. For the foam base, start by measuring from the bottom of your neck to the mid-region of your forehead. There's going to be intentional space left at the top of the dome for later use. Standard measurements are usually between 7 and 9 inches. Next, take a tape measure and find the circumference of your head. Most heads range between 22 to 24 inches. Fold the foam in half and mark the mid-region. This is completely optional, but by trimming the sides, you can make it more comfortable for the wearer. Now hot glue the center of the foam to the middle of the forehead. Take the back ends and glue them together. As we did with the front, take hot glue and glue the center of the back of the head. Now glue both side portions of the head. The 4 sides that are protruding out, do not yet glue those because those we're going to save for the very end. Taking a 1/2" strip about 2 inches wide, we're going to drape it across the front to the back of the head. Do not make the strip completely flush with the top of the head, make sure to leave a tiny bit of space for later use. Now take 2 more strips and connect them from the sides to the middle of the head. Now take your hot glue gun and glue underneath the foam. While pressing the glue, pull downward so the Lycra can stretch. After you've glued the top, you can move on to gluing the rims. Take your scissors and trim the sharp angles to make them more round. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful and make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!